Slime ideas so bad, we cannot sell them in our shop.
Dino Dig Clay Kit. Personally, I think this one is great, but it's on this list because Andrea told me that she doesn't think it would sell if we put it in the shop. I guess not a lot of people like dinosaurs or bones or something. I don't know. I'm gonna be so real here. I'm embarrassed to show you this next one. Lately, I have been addicted to mayonnaise. So naturally, I made a mayonnaise themed slime. It is just too realistic. It's kind of off-putting. Little Swimmers. Okay, so I thought this slime was adorable, but when I brought it to the team, they told me it was quote unquote inappropriate. I don't know why. They were just laughing at me. But if you guys have any better name suggestions, please let me know because I need some help with this one. We also have a fan submission in our bad slimes today. They've been requesting a slime that only costs $1. Here's the problem. Our jars cost more than $1 alone, but the slime itself isn't that bad. I don't think this would hold up in shipping.